All right, friends. Can you tell what happened from this step to this step? What changed? Sorry, I forgot to hear. What changed from this step to this step? Can you tell? That's right, nothing changed. It's the same, except I made the line longer. Why did I make the line longer? No, I want to put it under a common denominator. Yeah, not the conjugate. Conjugate is changing the sign of, you have like rad x minus 2, and then the conjugate is rad x plus 2. Right. So these two expressions are pretty complicated. I'm glad that you noticed it was a difference of 2 squares, but that's not relevant really for us. Whatever I do to the top, I have to do to the bottom, and I want a common denominator. I'm just going to multiply the two things together to get the common denominator. I don't know if it's confusing if I do it in a different color, but I'll do it in a different color. So for this first one, I need to multiply top and bottom. Oh, it's the same color. I need to multiply top and bottom by x squared minus 1. So whatever I do the bottom, I have to do the top. For the second fraction, it's the other denominator I got to multiply by. So I'm going to go x plus h squared minus 1, and then x plus h squared minus 1 like this. Does that make sense to everybody? So now let me simplify this. So this is going to become the limit as h goes to 0, 1 over h. Now I really do have a common denominator. So I can just put a giant line here and put x plus h squared minus 1 times x squared minus 1. And what do the numerators of each of these things look like? This looks like x squared minus 1 minus, and then I'm going to expand out this side right here. So this is going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 1. Is there any questions about what just happened? Sarah, you cool with this? What color do you read them? Don't read into it. What do you want to do next? Yes. So then this is going to be the limit as h goes to 0. This is 1 over h. This becomes x plus h squared minus 1, x squared minus 1, x squared minus 1 minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared plus 1. Any questions? Now we can simplify. So the x squared and the minus x squared kill each other off. the -1 and the +1 kill each other off. What do you notice about the numerator? They both have H's. Does that make you happy?
Yeah.
Yes, because our goal is to kill this H right here. I mean, cancel. No need such violent imagery. So this becomes the limit as H goes to 0, 1 over H. I can factor out an H from the top, and I get -2x minus H. And on the bottom, I'm going to have x plus H squared minus 1 times x squared minus 1. Come on, what was your answer again? Your final answer? Might make a small mistake somewhere. Any questions about this so far? So then the H's cancel out. Yeah, that's fine. And now I want to plug in 0. Can I just plug in 0 here? Like, I don't want to rewrite it again. So this guy goes to 0. This guy goes to 0. So we end up with -2x in the numerator. And in the denominator, I'm going to have x squared minus 1 times x squared minus 1. And this gives us -2x over x squared minus 1 squared.